Let's make this healthy chocolate pudding, which is high in protein without the need for any protein powder. It's made with only 4 ingredients, just cocoa powder, banana, soy milk, and some custard powder. Let's get started. So start with 1 really overripe banana. The more ripe that it is, the sweeter it's going to be. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and about 200 ml of soy milk. Then we're going to blend all of that together. Transfer the blended mixture to a saucepan and heat it up on the stove on a medium flame. While that's heating up, mix a tablespoon of custard powder with 2 tablespoons of water. Make sure that you dissolve the powder really well to prevent any lumps from forming. Once the mixture has heated up and has started bubbling, transfer the custard powder in and heat it for a further 5 to 6 minutes or until it's thick and creamy. Make sure that you stir the mixture continuously as it heats up to prevent the formation of any lumps. Take the mixture off the stove once it reaches this consistency. Now you can enjoy this straight away as a warm and comforting chocolate pudding, but I like to refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up and give it a more thick and pudding-like consistency. Once the pudding has set in the fridge, you can add any toppings of your choice. I like to add some walnuts for crunch and some grated chocolate to elevate the appearance and make it feel like a fancy dessert. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more.